Welcome to Blender Stuffs. In this video, I'll show some add-ons which I use most often, and you should try them too. And these are inbuilt in Blender so you can use them for free. I'll not show how to use them because they are very easy to use and pretty self-explanatory. So let's start. The first one is Align Tools. This is an amazing add-on which is used to align objects based on the active one. You can align location, rotation and scale. It also comes with advanced settings which, to be honest, I never use. The next one is a great time saver add-on which is the Auto Mirror add-on. It shortens the mirror modifier's operation by just one click. It also enables clipping and bisects the mesh by default. You should really use this one. The next one is our amazing Loop Tools, and very dependable for mesh modeling. The next is 3D Viewport Pie Menus. This add-on is great for those who loves pie menus. You can see all the shortcut keys in this menu. The next is the Carver add-on. This add-on allows the user to cut the mesh as he wants without using the Boolean operation. Although this add-on uses Boolean operation, it is applied by the add-on by default and can be modified. The next one is the Try Lighting add-on, which is an amazing add-on for lighting. This can be used to make small renders quickly but amazing. The last one that I use is the Bolt Factory add-on, which enables us to add nuts, bolts of various types. Well, there's some more free add-ons which I'll cover up in future videos, so please make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.